Alright, what's up guys? So if you're watching this video, man, you're probably thinking about getting a Corvette C6, or maybe you've already got one and you're thinking, how much is maintenance on the Corvette C6? And that's for the LS2, LS3 base model Grand Sport Z06. How much is it going to cost me to keep up with? Let's talk about it. So the Corvette C6, maintenance wise, it's not bad at all. Let's just say I've got a BMW M5 and that thing maintenance wise, way more expensive, a lot more you've got to do to take care of it, a lot more worries you've got on something like that than the Corvette C6. Now, the Corvette C6, I'll just say right at the top, if you've got the LS2 or LS3 or the Z06, the biggest thing to replace at the beginning, I'd say the harmonic balancer is probably the most common failure point across the board for the Corvette, and you can take care of that preemptively with an ATI or Summit harmonic balancer and knock that bad boy out. And go ahead and pin the crank while you're in there as well. Now, I mentioned the Z06. Now, another maintenance item if you're getting the Corvette C6, Z06 is you've got to do the heads. They've got a valve drop issue. It can be catastrophic to that LS7 engine, and that could be a $15,000 to $20,000 repair. But replace the heads preemptively and go ahead and throw a cam setup in there, a cam heads combo, get some more power out of it, and go ahead and make that thing more reliable and take care of one of the biggest issues with the Corvette C6 Z06. Now, outside of the harmonic balancer and the heads issue for the C6 Z06, there's no really big issues overall. Now, when I think of maintenance, one of the biggest things is oil changes. On this car, it takes 6 quarts of oil, but if you have the Grand Sport or Z06 or ZR1 and you've got the dry sump system, it can take 10 to 12 quarts. Know there's a difference, and know that, I mean, oil is not cheap these days, so if you do an oil change that takes 12 quarts of oil, it could run 150 bucks, man. So oil changes are a big one. The other one's tires. Tires are super pricey on these cars. In terms of tires, I'd recommend something like some Michelin Pilot Sport S's, and those things are not cheap. You're looking at $400 plus per tire. So if you do the math on that, man, that's $1,600 to $2,000 just to throw some new shoes all around this. Tires, your harmonic balancer, replacing the heads if you got a Z06, they're pretty reliable, man, on little things like, say you've got to replace the belt or something. The belt's pretty simple to replace on these cars. Little parts are fairly cheap since it is GM. Now, if it comes to body parts and stuff, it gets a little more expensive, but overall, it's basically a truck engine, you know, so parts for the LS2, LS3 are readily available. Also, this isn't exactly maintenance costs, but when it comes to insurance, insurance is, in my opinion, surprisingly cheap for these cars. Now, if you're younger and you're getting insurance, I know it's not going to be cheap, but for a guy getting my age, man, the insurance does start to get quite a bit cheaper, and it's a little bit cheaper than my M5 for sure. And I think it's because guys don't drive these cars as crazy as a lot of cars, BMWs included, and you know, a lot of guys don't put a ton of miles on their Corvette, so statistically they're probably less likely to have a claim, and so insurance is just cheaper because of that. So if I had to say, I think the biggest maintenance cost with the Corvette C6 is going to be tires, especially if you like to smoke those bad boys. You're looking at $400 plus a piece for the Michelin Pilot Sport S's, which I recommend. And then overall general parts, not expensive, not that bad. A lot of guys can work on Corvettes. Just make sure you find a nice reputable shop if you can't do the work yourself. And always make sure you buy OEM replacement stuff as well. I recently had to replace the water pump on this. I got an OEM replacement pump. It was a little more than something off Amazon, but it gives you that peace of mind. And I think one of the biggest upgrades I did on this car too, it's not really maintenance, but just in terms of helping it long term, is adding a DeWitt's radiator to this bad boy. It's expensive, but it's really nice, man. It keeps this car at least another 10 degrees cooler, which I definitely appreciate, especially because I have an intercooler on the front from the twin turbos, and so the radiator and stuff, it doesn't get as much airflow now. Anyways, I just want to shoot a quick video. I saw some people on Facebook saying, what's the maintenance cost for a Corvette C6 if I want to buy one? I went and figured I'd get some lunch, man, shoot a video on it. Appreciate you guys watching. If you're a fan of Corvettes, twin turbo Corvettes, fast cars, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.